Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn 10 birds name. Okay, with your spellings. So let's start with the first bird, which is my favorite. Okay, that is peacock. So the spelling is P E A C O C K. Peacock. Okay, next is parrot. So the spelling is P A R R O T. Parrot. Next is pigeon. So the spelling is P I G E O N. Pigeon. Next is eagle. So the spelling is E A G L E. Eagle. Next is sparrow. S P A R R O W. Sparrow. Next is vulture. Okay, the spelling is V U L T U R E. Vulture. Next is crow. C R O W. Crow. Next is owl. O W L. Owl. Okay, next is woodpecker. Spelling is W O O D P E C K E R. Woodpecker. And next is bat. Spelling is B A T. Bat. Okay, so these are the 10 birds name. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.